No. Wait, I got an idea. Send. All right. I got a response. Hi everybody, I'm attorney Ian Corzine and welcome to the Heart of the Matter. If you like videos on the legal side of social media, well then gently push the like button and the subscribe button. You wouldn't want to overdo it. And stick around to the end of the video when I have a special gift for you. All right, everybody, let's get to it. I'm gonna answer the question about how you use that Instagram Ask Me a Question feature. Step number one, you go to the home button on your Instagram app. Then you swipe right. Step number two is you select any image or video that you want to use for this Instagram Stories post. Step number three is pushing on that sticker button at the top. It's kind of on the right side. And then you go down to the bottom and you'll see the questions sticker. Click on that. And then you'll see the questions box. So enter a new question in there or leave that question there. It says, ask me a question. Maybe someone wants to ask you a question. All right, this section of the video, are you tracking me? If so, write good in the comment section below. So now that you've written your question or you just left the question blank, you could adjust the color, the size, the position of the sticker on this particular post. The next step is to post the Instagram story post that you made with the Ask Me a Question sticker. Then you can wait a while, get some responses, and you can actually see the answers to your question. What's great about it is that when you first get the answers, they're private, and then you can choose to publish them publicly. You can choose to write back to them privately, a text message, or perhaps you can also make your own video answering the question and putting that in your Instagram story. You know, the best part of the Instagram Ask Me a Question feature is coming up with creative questions that will engage your audience and increase your following and increase your likes and shares. So what I like to do is come up with creative questions that really engage your audience, that increase views and increase likes. So one of the things you could do is focus on a current event. So right now I'm doing a series on Shane Dawson's The Mind of Jake Paul. A question I might ask to the audience is, Jake Paul, sociopath or not? Or perhaps like in the summer, there was a debate about whether or not LeBron James was coming to Los Angeles, my hometown. And so you might post LeBron, Cleveland or LA. You might also do a situation where there's a current political debate and you're watching that real time and you want to engage your audience about who's winning the debate. So if it's the Trump-Clinton debate, you could say, who's winning the debate, Hillary or Donald? The other cool Ask Me a Question is when you juxtapose two photos together and you ask your audience to tell you which one they like better. And the one I really like is the emoji slider. So what you can do is you're on vacation or in a cool spot, or maybe you're in a bad spot, and you put that sticker, which asks the audience to actually respond by dragging the slider over about how much they like that photo. All right, for more ideas on creative, engaging questions that you can use with the Instagram Ask Me a Question feature, I've put together a power list of these questions. You can find this list by going to the top of the description section and finding that link to the power list. That will take you to another page where you can download for free this list of questions that'll help you engage your audience, get more views, get more likes. So if you like this video, give me a like, maybe subscribe, and if you got time, why don't you hit that bell button and you'll be notified every Wednesday when a new Heart of the Matter video comes out. All right, speaking of getting notified, I wanna see who responded to my Ask Me a Question. Oh man. Now let's move on to the subject of how do you post copyrighted music to Instagram? If you want to know more about it, click the card right here. All right guys, see you next time.